How to remove Do Not Disturb on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Do Not Disturb on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find sounds and vibration, and here you will find Do Not Disturb. Just click on it and disable this one here, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and you can enable it again if you want. Just click on it and that's it. It's easy. And that's how to disable Do Not Disturb on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.